So to create our mini heart, we start with a magic ring. And we make 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. Now we will continue working inside the magic ring. So you do a half double crochet, two single crochets inside the magic ring, 1, 2, make 2 chains and 1 slip stitch in the second chain from the hook. Now we continue working inside the magic ring. You do 2 single crochets, 1, 2, a half double crochet, two chains, and close it with a slip stitch inside the magic ring. Hold with your right hand the last stitch that you created so you won't lose it, it won't escape, and you pull the tip of the yarn from the magic ring, like that. You see the shape of our mini heart? So we cut the yarn, and with a tapestry needle, we will finish it off. So pass the remaining thread inside the magic ring, like that. Pull it. You can tie a knot here at the other side to finish it off. And here is our mini heart.